Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bolsonaro's gun laws on Brazil's president bank thrives. Uberaba, Brazil leaders in August last year, Brazilian farmer Reinaldo Hogismans reported a break-in at his house in the town of Marachigu, where Travis stole 6 legally registered weapons, including at C4 Taurus assault rifle. Hogisman, 39, is one of hundreds of thousands of Brazilians now registered to own guns, a group whose ranks have surged sixfold since far-right President Jair Bolsonaro was elected in 2018 and began loosening gun laws. 2 months later, Hogisman's T4 turned up 1,300 kilometers 800 miles away in the hands of a heavily armed gang of alleged bank robbers ambushed and killed by cops near the city of Varginha in Minas Gerais state, according to an inventory of weapons apprehended from the gang sent by reuters. The unexpected journey of Hogisman's assault rifle, which features trace using the T4 serial number provided in his original statement to police, hasn't previously been reported. Its presence in the hands of a group of alleged bank thieves highlights what federal police and public security experts say in an inevitable consequence of Bolsonaro's gun liberalization. The criminal use of Brazil's fast-growing stock of legal weapons. There is mounting evidence that legitimately acquired high-caliber weapons are leaking onto the black market, while the fragmented structure of Brazil's security forces make it difficult to tally how many weapons have operated at crime scenes. Over a dozen federal and state police officers told visitors that an increasing number of legally bought firearms are being used to commit crimes across the continent-sized nation. Many of those have reached the most violent criminals in Brazil, the country with the world's highest numbers of murders. The men hauled up in Varginha were part of a new breed of bank robbers conducting a wave of high-impact assaults across the interior of the country, police say. Now locally as Novo Chacango gangs that specializes in terrorist cities, blow up bank safes, and use human shield to escape, often stealing millions of dollars. Leaders reported a related story. Bolsonaro, a nationalist former soldier, has made it easier for Brazilians to bulk buy firearms by registering with the arms as hunters, marksmen, or collectors, known as CACs. With the encouragement, nearly 7,000 Brazilians have now accredited as CACs, up almost 500% since 2018. Bolsonaro says those weapons are being bought by good Brazilians, helping to reduce the murder rate, which has fallen steadily since before he took office from 27 per 1,000 in 2017 to 19 last year. Experts dispute his theory, warning there is strong long-term link between gun deaths and the number of firearms in circulation. In July, Reuters reported that Brazil federal police disapproved of Bolsonaro's gun policies, arguing they would put more weapons in the hands of criminals. There are now signs those fears are becoming a reality. We constantly have issues with weapons bought by people, CAC permits, said on senior federal police officer, speaking on the condition of anonymity and discuss the politically sensitive subject. Sadly, we are going to have problems with this for decades. Bolsonaro's office didn't respond to a request for comment. The federal police directed questions to the army, which grants CAC permits it to didn't respond. Now, Boundary 3, named after Changaqueiros, the ragtag bandits who roamed the arid northeast in the late 19th century. Brazil Novo Chacongo gangs have benefited from Bolsonaro's looser gun laws, according to police probes and interviews with officers in flooded its gun control and organized crime investigation. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.